Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to review the TECKIN Outdoor Smart Outlet. As some of you know, I have a lot of smart plugs and smart switches in our house, but I was looking for something I could put outdoor that I could use in the winter, especially in the winter for our Christmas lights. And this smart plug here or outlet is designed to be used outside. It has an IP level of 44, which is good for splashing water, not in water. So you cannot put this in your swimming pool. So if you look at the specs briefly here before I open the box, working temperature minus 20 to 60 degrees Celsius or 4 to 140 Fahrenheit, which is good. Like I said, I want to use this in the winter for outdoor, but you can use it of course in the summer for lights, for example, but it's good to know that it can be used in the winter. The power is 100 or 240 volts, so it's universal. And you use the app, the Smart Life app, which I have already because I'm using, like I said, TECKIN smart plugs inside the house, but I'll show you the app. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, so what do we have here? We have, first of all, a TECKIN Outdoor Smart Outlet User Manual. Okay, so this is long, as you can see. And here we have the outlet. Wow, which is big. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this thing. It's huge. Well, actually, not huge, but looks like it has also a light sensor over here, which I'm going to look at the instructions and see. Oh, and we have two. We have two outlets. Very useful. I thought there was only one, but there's two, as you can see, and you can remove the rubber inserts. So I'll have to look at the user manual there, and I'll come back in a second. I had a look at the user manual, and the reason it is kind of long, it's because they talk about integration with Alexa and Google Home, and also the second side is for IFTTT connection. So I went through the installation, very simple. Connect to the app, hold the button here for 5 seconds, the light flashes, and as you can see now the light is green, so we are connected. And if we look at the app, the Smart Life app right there, we can see that we have our I did not change the name, so we have the Smart Outdoor Plug. So tap on this and it shows the two switches here. You can see right there at the top, switch 1 and switch number 2. So I have the lamp here on switch 1, and just tap like this and it's on. Seems to work extremely well. I cannot wait to try this outside. Like I said, it works to minus 20 Celsius, which is absolutely great. So you can change the name, of course, of the switches. Here you could put lights or whatever you have outside, Christmas tree or pool lights, whatever. So remember, this is not to put in water. It's splash resistant, so IP of 44. So I'm very happy with the build. I must say here, the build, it's hard to see on the camera, but the build quality is very impressive. Like, I'm very happy with this outlet or smart plug. So as always, guys, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you. But I do like this outlet a lot. I can highly recommend it. So thank you for watching, and see you soon on my channel. Goodbye, guys.